Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the CTEK CT5 POWERSPORT to see if it truly lives up to the hype. About the product, the CT5 POWERSPORT battery charger makes sure your batteries are charged to capacity and your vehicle is ready to go when you are. The CT5 POWERSPORT has been designed specifically to charge and maintain POWERSPORT batteries using advanced technology to give you 3 fully automatic charging and maintenance programs. Normal for all lead-acid batteries, including AGM, lithium for all lithium batteries, and recon. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK CT5 POWERSPORT, battery clamps, user manual, product description, fully charged, mode button, error lamp, power lamp, normal battery program, recon option, lithium battery program. How to use. First, connect the red clamp to your battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Then connect the charger to the power outlet. When the charger is on, the green power LED lights up. The battery starts charging. When the battery is charged, just disconnect the clamp and start your car, and away you go. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.